full length when you're going to work and you're excited about going to work and you're dressed up like you're in the tundra.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Brinca. Ahí vaya.
Hi my loves, welcome back to the Fashionista Professor channel. So today I'm doing a review as well as a walk lookbook channel. So this is the outfit that I'm gonna wear today for lectures. It's actually gonna be very cold. Today it's gonna be in the 30s, and so I decided I was gonna wear my fur coat. And so the boots were custom made for me. They are suede and raccoon, grown raccoon fur. And likewise for the jacket. And then the bag was also custom made, and the hat was also custom made for me to go with the outfit. So this outfit sort of reminds me of Dr. Zivago, medicine woman. So what do you think of it? This will be perfectly in tune for fall 2020, and you can actually wear it for spring because it's spring now, though it's a cold spring. So I totally love the look, and I love the handbag. It holds a lot of stuff. So let me go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor modeling of this. So it's time now for the Fashionista Professor runway walk. So music, hit it!
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Brinca. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump.
dance. Anyway, so that's it for the fashionista professor Owen modeling of this outfit. And so this is my look for lectures today. So I have this crocodile handbag, which is one of my favorites. It's vintage. And I also have this cape over it because it is very, very cold today, and you guys know I do like to keep warm because I get very cold easily. And so when you take off the cape, you have this fabulous dress suit or coat. The skirt is a little bit too big for me, but I have my stylist, you know, kind of tuck it in, and so I think it looks very good. It's a loose cut, and then I'm wearing it with these boots. Okay, I don't recall. I might have bought these a long time ago. I like the fact that they are rhinestones, and so I think they sort of bring out the rhinestones of the jacket and the skirt and all the sunglasses. And then I have this beret from, I don't know, maybe ASOS or Shein, and then my sterling silver ring, my diamond and 14 karat gold earrings, and a rhinestone necklace. So this is my look, and the jacket feels very, very comfortable. It's a size extra small, so I think it's a loose cut. You can button it up like so, but I think I prefer wearing it open. So you can button it up. It's actually a dress because it's very long, but I'm wearing it as a jacket, and I prefer it open such that you can see the beautiful skirt. So let me go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor own way modeling of this outfit for you guys. So music.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Rica. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Rica.
outfit. I think it's fabulous. I do like the rhinestones, and it's actually quite very warm because I have the bodysuit underneath it, and I think it's very, very professional and fabulous. And so this is a review of this stone matten sable for cape. It was actually it's part of my vintage collection, and it's very, very good for spring when it's not too cold. You just have it over your shoulders. I decided to go ahead and style it with this rhinestone skirt and a black golden belt. Thinking about it, maybe I should have worn a rhinestone belt with it. But anyway, this is the look. And this is the back. And it is lined. I'm gonna show you guys the lining when I do the Fashionista Professor on the work of this, but it is a fabulous cape. I like the tails on it. One of the tails is kind of, I guess about two, I don't know, it's kind of, I sat on it, so. But anyway, it is a fabulous piece. It's very elegant. It would be very nice for evening dinner, you know, just like if you're going to the opera in London or something like that. This would look very, very nice. It kind of reminds me of one that Queen Elizabeth has, or one of her main capes. So this is fabulous, and I'm styling it with this my crocodile bag, of course. And so I think the look goes very well. I think this would have done better with a rhinestone silver colored belt. But anyway, this is the look. Let me go ahead and do the Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this. Okay, so it's now time for the Fashionista Professor runway modeling of this cape coat. So music, hit it.
Prepárate. Let me see you jump. Prepárate. Get ready. Get. Niña. Ahí vaya. Todo el mundo. Let me see you jump. Niña.
much for joining us today. Thank you so much for being with us today, and hope that you'll join us the next time we upload. And do hit the subscribe button down below or here, depending on where it is at the end of the video, and do hit the notification button such that you'll be notified when next I upload. So till next time, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with us. Kisses, kisses from far away, kisses from far away, kisses from far away. Que mercia.